Meet the magnetic head shaver. Sleek, silver, and ultra premium at half the price you'd expect. Its magnetic blade pops off for easy cleaning, and the dual curved heads glide smoothly for a fast, skin-friendly shave. With 360-degree waterproofing, a digital battery display, and Type-C fast charging, it's built for travel, style, and convenience. Still searching for the perfect Qixi gift? Meet the ShuMary Clip-On Bluetooth Earphones. No more ear pain, just pure comfort. Its air-conduction, Z-shaped clip, and bionic design make it feel weightless, even after hours of wear. Instant Bluetooth pairing, surround sound dual speakers, AI noise-canceling calls, and up to 40 hours of playtime. All that premium sound, at a price that'll surprise you. He'll love it, and you'll steal his heart twice this Qixi.